How to install Visual Studio Code Chromebook. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code on a Chromebook in just few steps. Let's get started. First, we need to enable the Linux environment on a Chromebook. So click on the time in the bottom right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Developers. Then click Turn on next to Linux development environment. Follow the prompts and click Install. Now next step is to install Visual Studio Code. Once Linux is installed, a terminal window will open automatically. In the terminal, write the following command to update the system, which is bash sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Then install the required packages. After that, you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your Chromebook. After the installation is done, you can launch the Visual Studio Code by typing code in the terminal or from the app launcher under the Linux app folder. And that's it. This is how you can install Visual Studio Code on your Chromebook. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.